Alright, today we are just going to go rip around on the 100. Cruise to the little track. Maybe do a couple jumps, we'll see, but just get out and about. Alright, so we're heading out here. Kind of a weird day. It's like smoky, or yeah, it seems kind of smoky. A little overcast. Super nice weather though. Alright, look at that view. I'm gonna try to go down this hill. It's pretty sketchy. Super narrow. Staying in first gear. Oh gosh. Woo! That was the worst of it. Oh, I should not have done that. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. I made it. Whoa. Spoke too soon. Won't get much faster, but real sandy. bad. Go for this little guy. Oh, barely. Oh yeah, over launched it. Woo! Big boy. So this one right here is what gets me. But from here to that landing, dude, someone could launch that all the way back over. Somebody, not me. Alright, let's see this one though. Alright, that looks chill. Definitely soft. Alright, this one's always sketchy. We got it though. Alright, here. Oh, not bad actually. Sometimes I feel like it really boosts you, but I think the lip's like perfect right now. Oh, that thing's nice right now. Smooth. Alright, this one seems to be a popular jump. This dirt is fun, but it is sandy. You definitely get like 3 jumps out of it. And it's gone. Doesn't really pack in, but it works. Get like 3 jumps out of it. And it's gone. How's this landing looking? Yeah, not too bad. Nice. Kind of a hard way, like kind of the opposite way I like to jump. I'm comfortable with. I don't know if that's like the terms exactly, but still super fun. Oh yeah, not bad. That is fun though. Just feel like you're turning. Never done a whip, probably won't do one, but just barely turn in like 10 degrees and you're like, yeah, whipping it. Alright, well, that was fun. It's getting dark. Probably get back to the house later. The XR100, 2002 XR100. It's the perfect bike, but definitely could use power, obviously. But man, is it such a fun little bike. Still has the clutch. Got everything you need. They make like BBR, like rear springs and stuff, so could use an update. But I think I am getting like a E-Moto. We'll see what happens. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back up that hill that I came down. Definitely sketchy. Woo, that hot. Alright, like I said, this is the hill that I came down. And man, is it steep. Especially on this thing, like, just not very good, this kind of stuff, but we're gonna send it. Made it up a couple times, didn't make it up a couple times, so we're about even right now. Alright, here we go. Alright. Third gear, go back to second. Oh, this part's sketchy with these rocks. No! Oh my gosh. Oh man. We almost made it. That's what we just came up. This is where I always get to. Alright. Make sure we're in first. Come on, baby. Get around there. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. Dude. If I was on any other bike, I would have died. Trying to carry that up, I would have just been having to let go. Oh man, we made it though. Whew. All right, let's hit it. Holy gross. Let's go, we're coming. Oh. Yep, that's Alright. Oh, that was sick. Oh, this trail kind of hard to find. It's been neglected. A little like mountain bike. But it is sketchy. There's like cactus on both sides. Oh, that you gotta really watch where you're going. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's too hard to find. This trail is fun going up though. Little tech, some rocks, and the cactus is now hidden in the sage and the brush. Oh yeah, there's some big, woo, thread the needles. Oh, more cactus. Woo, yes sir. Alright, so I didn't really close out the video, but yeah, this is what I was on. XR100. Thing's perfect. So much fun. Perfect little mess around pit bike. But yeah, like I said, I might be getting an E-moto, so tune in for that. Alright, later.